Section 7.5, Example 3 on page 469, we have a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. The angles of a linear pair form a straight angle. Postulate 9 is the linear pair postulate. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. So here we have angles ABD and DBC. They form a straight angle, and therefore they are supplementary. Example 3 says angle KPL and angle JPL are a linear pair. The measure of angle KPL is equal to 2x plus 24, and the measure of angle JPL is equal to 4x plus 36. What are the measures of angle KPL and angle JPL? Anytime you are given information that could include a drawing, but the drawing is not given, it's important to try to draw the image yourself. We know that angle KPL and JPL are a linear pair, so that means they will form a straight angle together. We know that P is the vertex, so we have KPL and JPL. L will be on the ray in the middle because that is the shared side, and both angles include the letter L. We know that angle KPL has a measure of 2x plus 24, and angle JPL has a measure of 4x plus 36. Using the linear pair postulate, we know that since angle KPL and angle JPL are a linear pair, the measure of angle KPL plus the measure of angle JPL will equal 180. Since the measure of angle KPL is 2x plus 24 and the measure of angle JPL is 4x plus 36, we have 2x plus 24 plus 4x plus 36 equals 180. Since we are adding, we can get rid of the parentheses and combine like terms. We have 2x plus 4x to get 6x and 60, so we have 6x plus 60 equals 180. To get x by itself, we can start by subtracting 60 on both sides. 60 minus 60 is a zero pair, which leaves us with just 6x on the left, and 180 minus 60 is 120. Now we can divide both sides by 6. 6x divided by 6 gives us just 1x or x. 120 divided by 6 gives us 20. Since the problem is asking for the measure of angle KPL and the measure of angle JPL, we can take the value of x, which is 20, and plug that in to the measures of angle KPL and angle JPL. So we have measure of angle KPL is 2x plus 24. We can plug in 20 to get 2 times 20 or 40 plus 24 is 64. We can do the same thing for the measure of angle JPL, which was 4x plus 36. X is now 20, so we have 4 times 20 plus 36, or 80 plus 36, which gives us 116. Thus, the measure of angle KPL is 64 and the measure of angle JPL is 116, and to double check, we can add those two together to make sure we do indeed get 180. The work for this problem is written out on the next few slides. And now I would like you to try homework number 5 on page 462. Name two pairs of angles that form a linear pair in the diagram at the right.